Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my birthday vlog. I will be taking you guys with me with what I do today, and I hope you like this video. If you do, make sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already to support my YouTube journey. Thank you so much and enjoy! As you just seen, I just finished packing my suitcase and now I'm doing my nails. Very cute. And here we are at the airport. And look, you guys. Look at this. If you've seen my recent Dior unboxing, you'll know. But this is the Dior makeup clutch. Ah! Wow, when I saw this, I was just so excited. And I was just so excited to get my hands on this. I've been eyeing this bag for like a year now, since it came out last year, and last year was impossible to get it, so I was very excited when I saw this on my birthday. So of course I had to get it, and the Dior assistant was just lovely, so nice. She gave me lots of gifts, and you should definitely check out my latest Dior unboxing. I will leave the link down in the description below. On our way to the Dior counter. Because it was early in the morning, we went to the VIP lounge to have my birthday breakfast. That I just love the VIP lounges. They just have the best amazing food, so I had a little bit of everything, and of course some cake. This is where we decided to sit. Love the view, love the airport vibes. I just love it so much. This is the best way to spend my birthday. Cheers! Honestly, I just love flying in business class. It's just more comfortable. We got some drinks. Look at the view, you guys. Wow. And we also got like a little snack, focaccia bread. Cheers, you guys. Drinking from the sky. This is what we got. This is the menu. And they also gave us some chocolate. We also got some fruit. And now, time to land. This was honestly a really quick flight. It's only like 50 minutes. So it went by really quick. Once we got to the hotel, I filmed my newest Dior unboxing, which you should definitely check it out. I will leave the link down in the description below. These are the two options that I could wear tonight for Camilo's concert. I'm currently wearing the tweeded dress, but because we're going out, I wanted to wear something cuter. So these are the two options. option 1 or the other one was option 2. Let me know down in the comments below which one you like best, but I chose option number 1. Now we're just having some dinner at the hotel. This is the menu. To drink I had some Aquarius.
I love it.
For main I had the pasta with the creamy sauce. And for dessert we got like a brownie with ice cream. Here we are at the Starlight concert.
Oh, look at this! Wow! This is so cool! Oh. It. Oh, look! Oh.
Everything was so beautiful, the decoration was very Christmassy. I liked the market and everything they did. Everything was beautiful. I'm so glad I was able to get some tickets because this was an unforgettable night and birthday.
Oh my god! Ah, ahí en el medio, ahí, ¿no? Oh my god.
Sí. Check, check.
No way.
Ajá. Listo, Indy, dale.
Señoras y señores, con ustedes, mi papá.
Debajo de tu cama que estaba caliente se está comiendo. Miro y te...
And that was my birthday vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for everyone, all the energies that helped me achieve all my dreams this year. It has truly been a really good year and I'm so ready for the new 2025 season. Thank you so much. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, like if you haven't already, so you can be part of this journey as well. Thank you so much. Bye.